Okay, this is my updated bike check. Got a new frame. It's a DK step up. Got it off a friend. I got premium stock bars, tank stem, Haro forks, Mongoose front wheel. My old wheel gave out. Bearing shot. Stock peg. We the People grip and tire. Shadow Ravager sprocket, fit bottom bracket, nitrous shifter cranks, Animal Hamilton pedals, KMC chain, DK pivotal seat, nitrous post, custom back wheel. It's DK spokes with the Alienation PBR with the Assault cassette hub, AM, and stock peg. See what my cassette sounds like. Hold on. It's not very loud, but it gets the job done. If you're asking where my Half-Link went, I traded it to a friend. And yeah, that's my bike check. Comment, tell me what you think. It's my old frame. Premium Solo S, DK bottom bracket in there. Might be selling it. Let me know if you want to buy it. I'll think about it. Alright.